G+1, 200 square yards, independent house, G+1, ready to occupy. Present first coat paint completed, inside tiles work started. This is car parking area, northeast building, sump. We are entering here east entrance. Total ground floor 3 bedrooms. This is open kitchen, puja room, wash area, and here dining, shelves, inside shelves. We are entering master bedroom. Shelves, inside shelves, attached toilet. Master bedroom attached toilet. And ground floor 3 bedrooms total. Kitchen and dining area. Here dining and here children's bedroom. Inside shelves. And attached bathroom, western toilet, tiles work going on. That's it, nice. Here TV unit, master bedroom, that is guest bedroom, and here TV unit this, and children's bedroom. Inside shelves, attached western toilet. In ground floor 3 bedroom, total 3 bedroom. Ready to occupy within 2 months. Total work completed. Fall ceiling also there. We are going outside. Here sump, water sump, 5000 liter. We are going first floor. Here wash area for the kitchen. We are going first floor. First floor also same, 3 bedrooms. That is ring road, HMDA phase 2, same this builder. Opposite villas. This is corridor and entrance. North side door. Again you see here 1 bedroom, second and third bedroom. This is hall, entrance. Here 2 unit. Puja room, open kitchen, sink area. Here washroom for the first floor, and again here shelves. First floor fall ceiling also there. And master bedroom. Inside master bedroom, shelves and attached toilet, window, very ventilated. Second coat painting is pending, electrical wires. This is master bedroom. Again here kitchen, dining, hall. This is guest bedroom or children bedroom also. Another room is there. And again inside shelves, attached toilet. This bedroom also western toilet. 3 bedrooms. Ground floor 3 bedrooms, first floor 3 bedrooms. Inside shelves, children's bedroom. We can use it children's bedroom. And attached toilet. Western toilet coming. This is ground floor 3 bedroom and first floor 3 bedroom. Northeast building. Here north side entrance. Here north entrance door and main door this. This is HMDA phase 2, same builder. Houses will construct within 1-2 months started. These are all independent houses. This is ring road. Outside apartment started. Ready to occupy independent houses. Second floor staircase. Entrance, east entrance, north corridor, north entrance door. The ground floor staircase. We are going first floor. Second staircase. I can show you top of the view. Here the location. You see all are independent G+1 duplex houses. All are gated community, independent and G+1 houses. That is ring road, Patancheru Sultanpur ring road. This is, we can construct here again 1 floor or second, 4th floor also. Already G+1 house this is. We can construct this and later again 2 floors. We are going down. Top of the floor covering with this is first floor entrance, east facing. We are going down. This is same house from top to bottom. 200 square yards, independent G+1 house. Ground floor 3 bedroom, first floor 3 bedroom, total 6 bedroom. Within 2 months total work completed. Bank loan available. East facing, gated community venture, HMDA layout. Inside bore, northeast entrance, 2 car parking, outside plantation, everything is there. I can show you the view of the layout. This is opposite east and west facing G+1 houses. Here the view. Opposite house is there, northeast, and this west facing also available for the sale. 150 square yards G+1. Again this 150 square yards G+1 west facing available. Ground floor 2 bedroom and first floor 2 bedroom. Total plastering work done. First coat painting is started. West facing. Inside bore, car parking, kitchen hall 2 bedrooms and first floor kitchen hall 2 bedrooms. These are the row houses. Total 30 acres venture inside the view. First floor staircase. Entrance. TV unit. Open kitchen. Dining. Curing work done, that's why it's light darkness. Puja room and children's bedroom. Backside door. Inside shelves and master bedroom. Attached toilet and 2 toilets. Inside one toilet is there. Inside shelves. Fall ceiling work also given. And again we are going first floor, 150 square yards. Ground, this is 150 square yards building, G+1. We are going first floor entrance. Here corridor, at present 4 o'clock time. This is hall, TV unit, sit out area, open kitchen, dining area. Here wash area for the first floor, and puja room, children's bedroom, work is going on, attached bathroom, master bedroom, attached toilet. We are builder given fall ceiling work, top of the view. Total 2 houses covering in this video. West facing G+1, ground floor 2 bedroom and first floor 2 bedroom. This is for the second floor staircase. Opposite east facing view, G+1. Corridor. Okay, we are going down. Downside, car parking area, entrance, again view of the outside, view of the villas. This is how 2 villas, that is 200 square yards, G+1, ground floor 3 bedroom, first floor 3 bedroom, and this is at present not at paint, that is 150 square yards, G+1. I can mention the price in the message, property details message.